Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Lazi-Low collectibles. This is another matchboxing video. What happened is a couple of days ago I've done the unboxing video of matchboxes, and on the same day I went to see if there's any deals on Facebook and Marketplace, and I find this one. This was a local pickup, 50 cars for £15. It was so cheap I had to buy it. I haven't seen many cars on Facebook on the pictures because the pictures were not too good, but what I've seen, I was thinking I can at least make £15 out of these cars, so I wasn't worried about that. So I was thinking that I'll show you what did I buy. So it's not many, it's 50 cars, but they're quite nice. This is a Matchbox Super Kings plane transporter. Quite good condition, wheels are alright. Only the plane missing, so that's not bad. I've got a car transporter here from Matchbox Super Kings. This wheel is yeah, it's a bit loose, but it's not too bad actually. And the ramp is missing from this one. Apart from that, it's quite good. I've got another Matchbox Super Kings, and this is a shovel nose. It's quite nice actually. Nothing's missing on this one. The paint is a bit chipped, but apart from that, it's pretty good actually. This one is a dinky toy. Unfortunately, the car looks nice, I think. Everything is there, but the wheels are missing. I did look already on eBay if I can buy some wheels, but I haven't seen anything yet. But I will keep looking because this is quite nice, and I'm sure if I find some wheels I can increase the value of this one. I've got Beetle. I think this is corgi. Yes, well, the wheels are a bit dodgy on this one. I think the wheel suspension inside is broken or loose. Apart from that, lovely car. Nothing's missing on this one either, so it might be actually a good project car. And I also can fix the wheels at the back. This is another Matchbox Super Kings or Fantasy, yeah, Battle Kings. This one is the missile launcher. I had this before, so it's not bad. This one, corgi, Toyota. The windscreen is missing and something's from here. Yeah, pretty beaten up, this one. I believe this is another dinky toys. Yes, yeah, the diesel roller. There's a pin missing from here, and I think the cabin is missing as well. Apart from that, this is still a dinky toy. This one is nice. This is Matchbox Super Kings, but it's only the tractor. There is no lorry for this one, but this one is actually in a mint condition. That's nice. This one. Maybe somebody wants only this and they have the lorry. Very nice. This is a ramp for something. It might be for a lorry, I don't know. A Volkswagen ambulance, Matchbox. Not bad condition. Peugeot 205. Another Matchbox. Everything works. I think this is a Detomaso Super GT from Matchbox. I've got London Turbos, Matchbox. This is Matchbox Chevy 1980. A Mercedes, I think this is a Lazi one, and this is the number looks like number 1, so not bad. Another good project car, I think. This is another ambulance, a fire engine, and this is super fast, I think. Armored truck, 1978. This is another Matchbox. Planet Scout. Another one from Matchbox. Cosmobile. Not bad. I remember this one. This always looked like a boat to me. Yeah, this is a bit, the wheels cracked. How actually this one? Stretcher Fetcher ambulance. Yeah, I remember this from my child area. Fire engine. Matchbox 1969. So this is a bit older. Very light, this one. Not too bad. I've got a police car, PD21. Another Matchbox Ford, 1987. One lorry, police. Okay, so that's another police vehicle. 1981. Ford Escort, Cosworth convertible. What year is this? 1985. I've got a missile launcher from NASA. It looks like I've got a NASA camion as well. NASA truck. Not bad. What year is it? The trailer is 81. And the camion is 81 as well. There's loads of Matchboxes in here. This is another police car. And this looks old as well. Yes, I think it's from 1 to 75 series. Yeah, Mercury. Where you can see the wheels. They are different. So I think this is late 60s. Another one, Matchbox. 1985. So another Super GT. So I've got 2 Super GTs now. Rescue unit, Mercedes. That's probably 80s. Yeah, 84. I think it's a Daimler. Made in England, 1973. So this is quite old as well. 1973. So this is 46 years old. A Bronco. That's probably a Ford. Yeah, Ford Bronco. 1987. Spare wheel missing. Yeah, I've got this one. I've got two of these already. I think the propeller is missing. But apart from that, this is not bad. That's a super fast as well, 1972. I think this is another Super GT, yes. I've got a passenger plane, Matchbox. Oh, if you remember, I had another three planes from the other box. So this I can add that to the collection, and this is nice actually. It's Matchbox, so it's an own brand. Very nice. I've got a coach. This is a Greyhound, I think. This is definitely American. Coach, yes, super fast. Can't see the date. Number 66. I will look that up. This is, I think, 2000s. Yeah, 2014. Yeah, that's only 6 years old. Got another one. Ford breakdown van, 1985 Matchbox. So looks like there's only Matchbox in this one. There's another NASA lorry. Looks like just Matchboxes in this one. Yes, I've got two of these as well. 1985 this one, and I have an older one from the 70s. Got tractor with a bad wheel on the front. This is Matchbox 1972. We've got another bus, Coca-Cola. Oh, the first corgi in this lot. I mean the second one. Small Matchbox. This one is a Mercedes. I think this is C111. Matchbox Super Kings. Yeah, C111. Mercedes 1971. The hood is missing. I also would like to pick my next project car from this lot, and I kind of like this one. I always liked motorhomes for some reason, so I think I might do this one actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pick this one this time. So this is gonna be my next project. Very simple, but very nice, and this will be nice. This is a motorhome. Matchbox mobile home, yeah, motorhome, yes. Okay. I've got another. I think I have this already. Matchbox tractor 19. I can't see the date. 1969, if I see correctly. Yes, 1969. Well done. Very good. So this is, I think, the oldest in this lot. I've got beach buggy. 1973 beach hopper. Yes. Oh, and it's still got the figure, which is good. And I've got another one. So beach hopper 1, beach hopper number 2, and they both have the figurines. So that's not bad. I've got a wild motorcycle as well. What does it say? The Stingaroo, made in England, 1973. Chopper, Matchbox. And I've got an excavator. This is Matchbox 1980, made in Moscow. And I've got, these are corgis, I think, Tom and Jerry. So that's like a pair. like a set. And this one, I think this is a Ford Capri. Yes. It looks like it's been taken apart already. The rivets are missing. And I think this is glue here. And looks like it's been repainted. It's not very nice. It's not a good job. They didn't do a good job. And yeah, the paint. So I might do this one as well, actually. I'm sure I can do a better job than this. Looks like the plastic is a bit broken. So the box is now empty. The box is empty now. I put all the cars here so you can see. So I've got a couple of Matchbox Super Kings here. I have loads of Matchboxes, small ones. And I've got a couple of corgis and 2 dinky toys. Unfortunately, this one hasn't got the wheels, so I will keep looking for wheels on eBay or on internet, because I would like to fix this. This is a nice car, and hopefully I'll find the wheels for it. Also, I've got a couple of corgis here and a few older Matchboxes. This one is 1969, which is nice. And I have this one, number 1. That's a bit older as well. And I've got this one, which is 1979, actually, I find out. This is a Mercury police car, 1979, so that's nice. So guys, that was the box I bought 2 days ago. It's not too many, but it's a nice little lot. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave comments down below. What do you think of my videos, my restorations? And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.